kids.
Emine, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm wonderful. Let's talk about animals. Emine, do you like elephants?
No, I don't.
Do you like bears?
No, I don't.
What is your favorite animal?
I like giraffes and parrots.
And my favorite animal is a frog. Rabbit, rabbit, I'm a frog. Today we are going to play a game, Animals in Action. In the sky, on the ground, in the water, and all around. Animals in action. Let's start. Jump like a frog. Jump, jump, jump. Emine.
Fly like an eagle. Fly like an eagle.
Hop like a rabbit. Hop like a rabbit. Hop. Emine.
Stamp like an elephant. Stamp like an elephant. Stamp, stamp, stamp. Stamp, stamp, stamp.
Waddle like a duck. Waddle like a duck. Waddle like a duck.
Snap like a crocodile. Snap like a crocodile.
Snap, snap. Paddle like a turtle. Paddle like a turtle. Paddle.
Run like a cheetah. Run like a cheetah.
Run, 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 run. Okay, now walk like a penguin. Walk like a penguin. Good.
Swim like a fish. Swim like a fish.
Okay. Stretch like a tall giraffe. Stretch like a tall giraffe.
Climb like a squirrel.
Climb, climb, climb. Climb, climb, climb. And snake. Hiss. Snake. Hiss. And monkey.
Swim like a monkey.
Swim like a monkey.
Swim like a monkey.
And it's my favorite monkey. Thank you. Bye.